Rust is a systems programming language designed to give you both memory safety and high performance without a garbage collector, so you get the control of C or C++ and the safety you'd otherwise only find in managed languages. It does this through a concept called ownership. Every value in your program has a single owner, and when that owner goes out of scope, the memory is freed immediately and deterministically. If you accidentally try to use a value after ownership has moved elsewhere, the compiler refuses to compile and shows you exactly which line caused the move and how to fix it, catching entire classes of bugs like use after free, double freeze, and dangling pointers before your code ever runs. To share data without transferring ownership, you borrow it using references. The rules are simple and enforced at compile time. You can have as many immutable references as you want, or exactly one mutable reference, which eliminates data races entirely. Lifetimes are the mechanism that makes sure those references never outlive the data they point to. The compiler essentially verifies that every receipt is still valid against the order it belongs to. All these checks happen without any runtime overhead, so the resulting binary stays lean and fast. The tooling is a core part of the experience. Cargo handles project scaffolding, dependency management, building, and running tests with a single command, and the compiler produces some of the clearest error messages in the industry, often explaining the issue in plain English, highlighting the offending code and suggesting the exact fix. Additional tools like Clippy catch common mistakes and style issues, and Rust FMT eliminates formatting debates entirely. Rust truly shines in domains that demand reliability and speed, such as operating systems, embedded devices, game engines, high-performance networking, and command-line tools like ripgrep and FD, while its WebAssembly support is also bringing it to the front end. It's not the right tool for every job. For quick prototyping or exploratory data analysis, Python is still a far smoother experience. And the learning curve is real because the borrow checker forces you to think deeply about ownership and lifetimes in ways that can feel frustrating at first. But that discipline pays off. You come out with a mental model of memory that makes you a better programmer in every other language. If you want to get started, the official Rust book is available for free, and writing a small command line tool is the most effective way to let the compiler guide you through the learning process.